If you are tired of your crappy, bad attitude employees that you hired because you have a poor hiring system, I'm going to help you solve all of that in today's video, because the problem isn't that there are no good employees available. The problem is that you don't have a consistent hiring system for finding and identifying them. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to create a complete restaurant hiring system customized specifically for your restaurant. We'll create professional job descriptions, advertisements, application questions, interview scorecards, reference check procedures, offer letters, rejection messages, and a step-by-step hiring process that your managers can follow every single time, so that you'll have a repeatable hiring system that helps you attract better applicants, to conduct more effective interviews, and stop making hiring decisions based entirely on your gut instinct, if that makes sense. Okay, this is part 4 of my 7-part video series on creating a complete restaurant operating system using AI and ChatGPT. Again, if you don't have the link yet to my AI prompt library, you can find it in the description or up here. Just enter your email and I will send you instant access. Okay, there is where I have all the prompts that you need to enter into ChatGPT that I created in order to create these systems, as well as all my checklists for free. Okay, let's get started. Let's head to the AI prompt library, where we will scroll down. We've done this one, we've done this one, we've done this one. So if you haven't watched those videos, watch the videos on how to create these 3. This is part 4. We're going to download it right here. It's going to open up the blueprint for creating your restaurant hiring system. Here is the summary once again. I'm not going to read it to you. You can read it. It's going to tell you exactly what we're going to do to create this handbook. It's going to tell you what we're going to build: professional job description, help wanted ad, interview questions, candidate scorecard, interview evaluation form, reference checks questions, and new hire offer email. All right, pretty cool. It's going to tell you how it works. It's going to be the same process as in the other videos. We need some restaurant details, and then we're going to give it some prompts. So here are the hiring details. Once again, as I said before, fill in what you think is important to customize your restaurant. Leave the rest to ChatGPT. Once again, you're going to want to copy these questions or these details and put them in a Google or Word doc, and then answer them all, and then we'll paste them back into ChatGPT. Again, I've already created one with fictional responses, which I will use to put in there. So let's go here. We'll assume that we have done all that, and we're going to come back here to prompt number 1. And you're going to copy this all the way to here. Again, you're going to see where we're going to paste the completed details. So first of all, we'll do this. We'll go to ChatGPT. You just have to go to chatgpt.com. We're going to paste this, and then I'm going to hit Shift Return so I can put the details here. If I just hit Return, it's going to start prompting, and we don't want it to do that yet. And then I'm going to go to the worksheet that I had created, filled out, the fictional responses, so we can get a realistic handbook made. And we're going to go back here, and I'm going to hit Paste, and we're going to send the prompt. Now ChatGPT is going to get working with the job description. And then we're going to come back here. We're going to get ready here. So prompt number 2, a lot of times we go on to the next one. Job descriptions are very important. So for prompt number 2, I've had improve and revise. And what you'll do is you'll copy this back into ChatGPT and ask it to improve it. And then it'll spit out another one. You don't have to do this. It's up to you. But a lot of times it revises its own information and makes it better. So before you copy paste any of this into your blueprint, which is what you need to do, create a Google Doc or Word doc, and whatever ChatGPT produces, make your own handbook. Okay, but you can either revise it before you paste it, or you can just move on to prompt 3, which is creating the help wanted ad. Now they're going to create 3 versions: an Indeed, a Facebook, and then one for a hiring poster if you would like. So we're going to copy this to get ready for the next one, assuming we have revised everything. Let's see what Chat pumped out for us. There it all is. So this is creating the blueprint for you. We'll just copy that. And I've created a little blank one here. This is what you're going to do. All right, so you're creating your whole hiring system right here. Then we're going to go back here. I'm going to copy this prompt. We're going to put this back into ChatGPT, prompt number 2, and it's going to go to work again. It's going to create 3 versions. All right, there's your job postings. And then that one's for what is that, Indeed or Facebook. This one's for the other one, and then it's going to create a poster one for you. So you're going to copy all of this, you're going to paste it into your own blueprint, and then you're going to go back to prompt number 3. It's going to create interview questions. All right, I'm just going to do one more. I'm not going to do all of these. And we're going to paste, and we're going to hit enter. Now it's going to create an entire interview question guide for you based on your restaurant. Okay, and now you can just ask these questions, and it has the why I'm asking, what an excellent answer might be, warning signs for each of these questions. I mean, this is training you how to interview someone, and you're going to paste that into your guide. Okay, let's look at the rest of the prompts. We're not going to do them, but then it's going to create a candidate scorecard. Actually, let's do this one. I want to see what it comes up with. I've seen this before, but let's see what it does this time. Let's see what kind of scorecard it's going to create for us. Candidate name, 1 through 5 scoring, and then you're going to have appearance, communication skills, professionalism. This is basically giving you everything you need in order to hire someone that's awesome. I freaking love it. Then it's going to give you red flags on the 20 biggest hiring red flags that you might see. So it's basically training you how to interview. Then it's going to give you a reference check, and then it's going to give you a new hire email that you can send to them when you hire them. So this is all created for you all at once, just as we did with the other ones. And there you go. Okay, I know I sort of flew through that video, but it's the same process as the other videos, so I'm assuming you watch those. I don't want to keep repeating myself on every single video. Okay, that's everything you need to hire a rock star staff. And there's nothing like having systems and procedures in place for consistency and, to be honest, just flat out success. Okay, systems are everything. Systems are life. Okay, I'm going to make a t-shirt that says that. And you can borrow it if you want, as long as you wash it before you give it back. All right, make sure to check out my next video, number 5 in this series, on how to use ChatGPT to create amazing social media posts. We're talking a month of social media post ideas, so you don't have to keep coming up with some of your own. Okay, I'll see you then. Thanks for being here. I'm out.